Cube's been on a journey since I was MD with our zero harm policy through our safety, health and environment, or SHE as we call it, programs. And it's moved from very much initiatives around safety in the workplace, policies, procedures, programs, into a much broader environment around the health and well-being of our employees, ensuring that these employees are fit for work, healthy, and programs that deliver those initiatives. It is a culture around the team performing, not one individual, and teamwork's really what it's about, and you lead by example. The SHE team came to me with the Step Up Challenge to encourage employees to get out and do a little bit more exercise in the form of walking, set myself a target of 10,000 steps a day. As a result, I lost a considerable amount of weight, which was fantastic for me. It really demonstrated the value of the program that we were initiating.
Cube Care is our health and wellbeing strategy. It's made up of a series of health campaigns that target specific lifestyle issues. They're things like skin cancer and early detection. The Active Body Healthy Mind is really about looking holistically at your health. The Save and Make campaign targeted mental health and really get our teams to start conversations to make sure everyone's okay. We've also done a sleep program about being sleep fit, which is really important. And our current campaign is around warning signs, which is really your heart health. In terms of our injuries, we've seen a reduced number of injuries since 2015. We all want people to get back to work and back to their normal life as soon as possible, and we've been able to achieve a reduction in average claim costs and duration, which really is comforting to know that people are feeling supported when they're injured, supported to get back to work as soon as possible and back to their normal life.
Safety culture for Cube is great. We've got initiatives coming from the lead team. We implement that at the ground level, but we also need to make sure that we get the input from the actual workers. So if they don't own it themselves, then it's not really doing what it needs to be. And as we do get good feedback, the people are getting involved, they're taking these initiatives on board, and they're using the information that we give them to better their lives. The idea for me on the ground is that I want my workers to turn up every day in a good state of mind, had plenty of sleep. We have a great diversity of people. They do long hours, and we want to make sure that when they're here, their body's in the right state. So the focus on well-being has changed everyone's attitude in the yard. It's as simple as bringing it to the table for them, making people think about it. And therefore they are thinking about the right food they eat when they go home. They are thinking about going to bed an hour earlier. So that's up to us as a management to be driving that. And that way people think it is the norm. It's something they want to practice all day, every day.
Health and wellbeing is important to me because it goes beyond just being safe at work, and it's educating myself about how to be a healthy human being in both at work and outside of work. We really did notice a change with the Save and Make campaign. Traditionally it's been quite the norm to bottle things up and try to manage mental health issues yourself, whereas this campaign reinforced the message that you can actually speak about it, and the impacts of having that conversation and the benefits it can have for someone can be quite substantial.
We're not health experts at Cube, but we try and align ourselves with industry leaders, and we have really good support by our key partners such as Marsh, our broker, and EML, our agent. They look at what we do and we try and involve them as much as possible so they're a part of it. I think when you look at the costs associated with health and safety, injuries, illnesses, disruption to business, if you have a safety program that doesn't focus on health as well, then you're only looking at the reactive aspects to safety and not holistically looking at a good health safety program.
Morris, well done. Congratulations to you and the Cube team for winning the 2019 June iCare Aware Award. It's a fantastic initiative, Cube Care, for your health and wellbeing program.